got it doing it. I'm using a 15 with a long station, and I just got it through under here, you know, to get to the nut right there, and there is another nut on the side, so it's two nuts. After you get those out, so you're gonna get the brake the master loose. So we're just gonna remove these screws right here. So they loose now. I already got that with the 8 millimeters. I got the right here, the you know, this clamp. I removed the mouth sensor and the air sensor. So right now we can let this up and then push this out. I'm gonna get this box out of the way too. Can you leave it right there? There's a should be no. We can get this box out of the way. Here's the other two right there. Now, if you see right here, we got enough room to play with this thing. So what we can do is we can lose, you know, this stands right here. To release this thing, and just push that up, and then you have to pull at the same time. Right there. That way it pops out. Okay, so the thing is right here on the bottom. Let me show you. The camera went off, so you have to push this up, so that way you can release it. You know, because there's a hole right here. Which I don't know if you can see right there, that is a hole right here that needs to be with this seat, and then after you push this in, you can pull out, you know, because this is slide right here, and this little part is slide out. So now you got enough room to get the bracket out of the way. You know, this bracket right here, we already got the 2 bolts, and then there is 2 more bolts right here, one right here and the other one right here, which it takes 10, so you can lose them. One more left. You have to put this thing here. Get it right now. Alright. We got that one out. Now we can play with the bracket. You know, a little bit, and you have to be careful when you pull out. We have to pull it out anyway, so you just have to be careful when we pull it. Release this one right here. Now we got the bracket out of the way. We can move the fuse box out of the way too. We release this harness right here, and that way it gives you enough room to get you push this master out of the way. You know, that gives you enough room to pull it out. And that's how you get it out. Tricky to get it out, but the main thing is just to push the middle part, you know, up, and then slide it out. Now we can go ahead and get the 4 nuts right there. So I'm gonna try to see if I can record it then. I believe it's a 15. Yeah, it's a 15. So far away. I'm not sure if we can make it without, because the camera's in the way. We'll try it. We got that out. We got all four out. Now what we gotta do is we're gonna play with the. I'm gonna move the light a little bit. We're gonna get the from here the rod. We have to push it out. See, got the little rubber right there. So make sure you put it back. You know, this one, like a sponge right there. So and then from there you have to just slide it out, and then it should be out already. Now we can push that out from the. It's gonna be kind of tight, I think. So we had to go in the front and then start wiggling to get it out. Let's go. Now we can play with this thing to get it out. Oh, my bad. Right there. You just have to squeeze that out. And that's how you get it out. Brake booster. It's out. So here we are. That's how you get your brake booster out. I hope that helped, guys. Save you money and time. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Peace.